How to check saved items on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can check saved items on Facebook Marketplace. To check saved items on Facebook Marketplace is a very simple task. Okay, just follow through the processes that I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Then what do? The first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account, your Facebook Marketplace account. And how do you do this? By logging in into your uh into your Facebook. And once you log into your Facebook, by the right side of the screen you'll see three dots. Click on it and then select Marketplace. When you've selected the Marketplace, by the left side of the screen you'll see a list of options such as browse all, notifications, inbox, buying. Yes, buying, that's our focus in this tutorial. Just click on buying. So once you click on buying, you will be brought to the your buying page dashboard. All right, and then by the left side of the screen you'll see a list of options such as recent activity, saved, your alerts, and then following. Ensure you click on saved because that is our focus in this tutorial. Once you click on saved, you would see all your saved items. Very simple, right? Yes, this is how you can see or check all your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to check it out, just go ahead and click on any of them, and from there you can purchase it if you want to. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.